premium kasi pinili pa nila yung number of ribs.
That's why they call it emperor.
Wow, grabe. Again, thank you so much, Mr. Kim's BBQ, for accommodating us and being such a generous host for this video. What can you say about the place?
Oh yeah, about the place. The place is very panawigang place, very clean, spacious.
Yes.
And may parking.
Same time sa place naman, they are also having a dalawang rooms for VIP.
Yes.
So if you want private dining, available din dito.
No minimum.
Maliban sa mga unlimited nila, isa sa mga a la cartes nila, yung kanilang Emperor's Beef. Ibig sabihin, ito yung pinakamasarap na part ng beef ribs. Specifically yung pang 6, 7, and 8
Ay,
ribs
grabe.
ng beef.
Ay, grabe.
Ito yun.
But this one is parang higher level. Premium of the premium kasi pinili pa nila yung number of ribs.
That's why they call it emperor.
Okay.
So, maliban siyempre dun sa kanilang Emperor, so meron tayong mga side ribs naman.
Okay, so when you go here guys, sabi nga namin, meron silang a la carte, they do have unlimited, and they have parang set meals. For as low as 699 pesos, good for two. If you are into a special event, occasion,
Pero siyempre, kung ikaw naman yung malakas kumain, go to the unlimited.
go for that unlimited, no? For as low as?
For as low as 599 pesos. Makakasul ka na ng 6 side dishes, unlimited soup, and yung kanilang premium pork.
Premium pork.
Whoa. So again guys, take note, yung nasa table po natin ngayon includes mga a la carte, yung unlimited, at saka yung possible na set meal na dito. Okay.
Speaking of a la carte, available din yung mga a la carte sila dito. So what we have on our table?
So meron tayong butter garlic shrimp, fried chicken,
Meron din tayo kanilang fried cutlass fish, and meron din tayong mga kimchi jjigae. For our rice, meron tayong kanilang chili sisig rice and kimchi bukumbap. Available din yung mga side dishes nila dito for unlimited.
I want to start with their soup. So earlier we were at their kitchen and nakita natin guys paano nila niluluto to. Wow, it's so creamy. Para siyang version natin ng bulalo pero this is creamier, no? Alright. I want to try yung kanilang mga side ribs. Look at this. Oh. So this is how they do it pala sa Korea. Ganito yung setup dito. You have your own gloves, yung plastic at saka yung parang tela, no? Just a trivia, so si Mr. Kim's BBQ po, they have 140 branches in Korea and this is their first franchise outside Korea. Ayan, so, and now we are lucky to experience it here. Diba? Wow, sobrang lambot, bro. Umuso pa sa bibig ko.
Sa mga natin, sa mga side ribs na in-order natin, so natay ko lang choice, it's either the marinated and yung kanilang
Classic.
classic.
You can also add flavors and spices. This one's chili.
Very hot.
Oh yeah. The size of this, ang laki. Oof. Dinosaur shrimp.
Buttered garlic shrimp, but they serve us yung kanilang 1 kilogram na shrimp. So also, you can ask for half of it and push your tikman na.
Natatansya nyo na kung gaano karami yung 1 kilo. Is it good for, 2 persons, 4 person? Para sa akin, this is siguro 4 to 5 people, no? Alright, last one. Guys, cheers.
Parang fried nila na cutcut fish. Kasi tikman natin.
Guys, another place for you to check out. Grabe, ang sarap ng kinain natin ngayon. And kagandahan dito guys, they have options for unlimited, for set meal, or even a la carte. Pwede po yan dito sa Mr.
This is
King.
another place for your bucket list, lalo na kung naghahanap kayo ng mga samgy na premium. Add nyo to. So Mr. Kim's BBQ open from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. Monday to Sunday. And they're located lang dito sa may FIL-AM Friendship Highway,
Yes.
Angeles City.
Guys, if you like this video, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next video.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out. Bye guys.